It's Mike.
Hi. I just make believe.
You just make believe?
And then I get you guys to do it for me.
He doesn't know what the hell he's doing.
You talk a lot of caca, man. Yes. Shut up, man. He's right here. Where'd he go? My food.
You know mine is always ready. Welcome guys to Tag Along Outdoor Adventures. My name is Ray. That's Mike.
Hi.
That's the goofy one. We're in our campsite. And Mike, you gonna set your tent?
Yeah.
Mike is gonna set up his. He's setting up his stuff over here. Manny. That's his Jeep right there. Big Bertha. You know what you're doing over there?
No, I just make believe.
You just make believe?
And then I get you guys to do it for me.
Oh, damn. He doesn't know what the hell he's doing. You see?
You talk a lot of caca, man. You talk a lot of caca. Should I do it on top of this?
Yeah. It could hurt your back.
Hold on. I'm gonna set up my tent.
You're not setting it up in my damn car.
Oh, God. Okay.
He's actually finished now. Almost. Throw it over, dude.
This is worse than like untying a bra.
You smacked the camera.
Oh. My bad. My bad. What the hell?
You gotta find it. Where is the opening at, dude?
Yeah, I always have trouble finding the openings.
Right here. That's the front right there. Just gotta clip it on.
Clip it onto what?
Yes, exactly. You're learning.
Easy on, easy off. Wax on, wax off. Listen, man. You're sitting there with a camera in your hand for YouTube. I'm getting hungry. All right, this belly ain't gonna stay full too long. Okay. Now what? This shit, right?
Food. Setting up his tarp now. Yeah, I caught you. You hungry?
Yes. We're hungry.
He's always hungry.
Yes. Notice? Thank you.
He got his tent finally set up.
I still gotta finish.
Half an hour. Well, you gotta put your stuff inside, right?
They're gonna break.
Really? Yo, what you doing, bruh?
Shut up, man!
Oh, you are so violent.
Trying to sleep.
Trying to sleep?
I need some chips. I'm hungry.
I need some chips.
I'm hungry.
Yo, do your feet hang when you
No.
sit down? No?
No.
Right there, he wanted to do something.
Video evidence. Can't do it. Goose and Pepsi.
I'm not sponsored by them.
Should be. Oh. And popsicle.
If nobody knows what he said, Pretty much Portuguese bread.
Portuguese rolls.
Portuguese rolls.
They're called papo seco.
Papo seco. Papo seco.
Hey, Doritos, sponsor my boy, yo. Pepsi too, Pepsi too. Let's go.
This is Manny home for the night.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Oh shit. Putting all his stuff in.
Put my furniture.
Your furniture in for the night. They said it's not gonna rain, but he put the tarp over just in case. Not bad, not bad. I like it. Yes, he's still eating over there. Little baby want coffee.
Damn right. Oh, help me.
Does it taste good?
Yeah, it's just really
Are you
hot.
happy you got your coffee?
Yeah, I burned my lip on my tongue. Take me to the hospital. You want to do some ghost hunting stuff? I got the SLS thing. You could like see ghosts and stuff.
Put it on, put it on. Let's show the people.
Let's see. Let me turn up the volume.
Take your big old thumb out of the way.
Hello? There's a lot of ghosts here. Oh, Jesus.
Or ghostesses?
It's ghosts.
They said, yeah.
Are there ghostesses out here?
What did it say?
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, we'd be some really bad ghost hunters. we'd really suck at that stuff.
Let me drink my
Then
coffee.
I got this one too. Look, this
What?
one's cool. Look at this one. Go over there. Look at my brother. That's crazy, right? Let's see if there's any other things here.
I don't see nothing. Oh, I see one. What was that?
Oh, he's gonna start the fire for us.
Why does it look like he got two nuts on his eyes and a...
Here you go, Miguel. Here you go, Miguel.
Yo, why you put my government out there like that, yo?
Oh, there you go.
My name is Juan Leche el Tercero, and I used to be a boxer in my past lifetime. I fought with a lot of boxers from like 1913.
That's why your brain is not together no more?
No, my brain is done. Brain is shot.
All right,
Done.
enough talking to you. I need to flip this. You distracted me. I need to...
You're not nice. You're not nice. You're not nice.
Man, these are way too cooked for your brother.
When you hungry, you don't care. You don't listen. You don't listen. You don't listen. What I told you.
Big one, big one. Ow. Oh, one just jumped in over here.
Yeah, this is a fun. Ow. I wonder if there's snakes.
Yeah, it's called garden snakes and
I'm not care about. I'm talking about
Little-
cobras.
no, no.
Nah, there's a rattlesnake right there.
Where?
I don't know.
Sell that. Make millions.
It's just garden snakes and colubras.
You messed up, dude.
You know, I'm recording you. You gotta be a little faster than this.
Dude, do you see the angle I'm in?
Now
My fat
this
ass
this
is not stretchable anymore. Ah, it's cold. Ah, my poor feet.
video can't be too long. People get boring.
Yeah,
People go, I don't want to watch this no more.
and get bored. Frog hunting is not a joke. I'm already out of breath. Jesus, I'm stuck. My foot is stuck.
You need a hand?
No. I need money. Look, one right here, right?
You got one?
One right here. I got one already. You got one? Yeah. Nice. Well,
Where is he?
right here. Dude, they fast as heck, yo.
What you got it in your hand?
Yeah.
You serious?
Yeah. They're easy to catch. I'm just too fat.
He's too fat. Let's see what Manny got. Don't poke your face. Yep. There he goes. He got one. Frog hunting. One just jumped over there. He's all the way down
Yeah,
there.
that's too far down.
Yeah.
One right there.
Oh, I see his head. What the hell is he doing over there? I don't know if the GoPro could catch that. Alright, we're using Manny's phone. I can zoom in. He's too far down. He's good 2 feet down.
Yo, look, oh, two of them. You're
Yo,
mine.
what happened to your slippers, Mike?
I got stuck. Oi. Let's see if I can do a double take. Ah, you
Oh.
stupid
It's
ass.
up
He's
to-
right there. He's right there, right in front of you.
Ah. He's fast. The little guy's fast. He's right here. Where'd he go?
This one.
Where? Oh, that's a big
You see it, right? It's big. It's nice and green. Nice little frog legs.
Right
Where the hell he went to?
here. They're fast, dude. Try not to bust my ass in the water. Got him.
Got him? No, no. Okay, hold him right there.
Can you rinse this out, Mike?
Show him.
They got some big ass legs.
Oh!
It's alright.
Can you rinse this
He
out?
got away.
They fast. They really fast.
Your funky feet right now.
Man, they're nasty. Did I wash them? They look so built. Look so pretty.
Slippers.
Oh!
Yeah, he hit it right there. Oh! There was another one right in back of you too.
There's a lot of them in here, boy.
throw something that can come up this way.
He don't move. Look, he stays.
Be careful.
Watch out with that. Got him?
Got one.
Yo, Bigfoot.
Where?
We should do a little hunt for Bigfoot.
Yeah, all right. I already found Sasquatch.
We go to Pine Barrens.
This is disgusting. There's another little one.
You got one? They fast, man.
Yeah, I know, but I can't.
Please clean your feet very good, Mike. Tell everybody in YouTube.
Yeah, get in between those toes.
Yeah,
Between
yeah,
the toes. Get in between the toes. Make sure you get the calves.
Dude, it'd be so fucking funny if that pole just goes. Oh. You go with the beat.
He's hungry again. You can't see them, but you can hear them talk.
One right there.
There you go. That's Manny. That's our company right there, chilling with us.
Right light.
Hanging out with us. They're almost done. And he's still right here. He's hungry. He got his bread.
I'm ready.
No such thing.
I'm blue.
How you like the camping?
I'm gonna go home, hold my wife. I don't want to see the kids though. Their pains.
Well, guys, thank you for watching. I'm actually reversing. Let me do this first before
Crash into a tree.
I hit a damn tree. Well, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Just one overnighter before I head out of Jersey for
Goodbye, Ray. I'm gonna miss you, man.
yes, living in another state. You guys will find that out very soon because definitely going to be a lot more videos loaded.